Hello students, today we are going to solve third numerical of previous year gate question. Question is given as the super elevation needed for a vehicle traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour on a curve of radius 128 meter on a surface with a coefficient of friction of 0.15 is. It means that we need to calculate here the value of super elevation. So we know the formula of super elevation, which will be equals to E plus F equals to V square upon 127R. Now in this question the value of F is given as 0.15, the value of V is given as 60 km per hour, and the value of radius is given as 128 meter. On solving this, we will get the value of E as 0.071. So it will be equals to 7.1%. That will be the super elevation value, that is 7.1%. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.